Well, hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan, and in today's video, we are celebrating that Prop 22 passed. This is huge, and by huge, I mean huge news. No, in all seriousness, this proposition just passed to keep Uber and Lyft drivers independent in California. Why is this huge news? We're gonna talk about it because a couple things I'm gonna be talking about is how, one, this keeps other states from implementing the same thing, and if not, and actually this could actually have other states implement the same independent contractor model. This is groundbreaking history. The first time ever that these gig companies are exempt from the law. They're exempt from the law to make their drivers employees. All these gig companies have always said that it doesn't make sense to make their drivers employees. So now you can still sign up for Uber and Lyft. I'm gonna leave links down below. Use my referral code to get a sign up bonus or guarantee. If you do wanna sign up, you do not have to become an employee. You can sign up, sign off, sign on and off whenever you want, work your own hours. I'm gonna break down the actual updated earnings. Uber just released updated earnings, updated guides on what is included in Prop 22, so I'm gonna go over all of that. Now, super briefly, the reason I haven't been posting on this channel as much lately, and what have I been up to recently, is I actually started a second channel, a brand new channel called The Finance Hub. I've been focusing on making videos over there every day, and for the next couple months, I'm gonna be posting on there more. And I will still be talking about Uber and Lyft. I actually am talking about Uber and Lyft over there as well, but I'm gonna be focusing on money, finance, how to make more money, and yeah, I would be super appreciative if you went over to the Finance Hub, subscribed, just because that is my passion project right now. The next couple months, I won't be as active on the Rideshare Hub. I'm still gonna be posting, but I'm gonna be posting more over there, so go check it out. And if you do subscribe over there, comment done when you're done down below here. I'll heart your comment and shout you out in the next video. So now let's go over Prop 22. What does this mean for Uber and Lyft drivers and gig workers, not only in California, but I've heard Uber CEO actually said he's gonna take this nationwide. So let's take a look. I'm gonna sync up my phone and let's go over the new earnings model together. So this is actually the official announcement from Uber. Uber goes, Dylan, I'm pleased to share the news that California voters passed Proposition 22. With this vote, drivers and delivery people will get what so many of you have been asking for: access to benefits and protections while maintaining the flexibility and independence you want and deserve. The future of independent work is more secure because so many drivers like you spoke up and made your voice heard, and voters across the state listened. I voted yes on Prop 22. Your voice is what mattered most. Thank you. We're looking forward to bringing you these new benefits like healthcare contributions and occupational accident insurance as soon as possible. We'll be back in touch in the next few weeks with more details about what to expect and how to enroll in and make the most of these new benefits. Thank you again for all that you do, for continuing to serve our communities and bearing with all the recent uncertainty, and for being the driving force behind a better future for independent work right here in California. So essentially, all these new benefits and everything that Prop 22 comes will be released in the coming weeks, and then you will be able to sign up for it. So subscribe down below and like this video if you like making money, and because I will be making a new updated video when all those benefits are actually available. So what does this mean right now? This is the new earnings guarantee that they released. Let's take a look at this. Minimum earnings, if you earn less than the guarantee. So basically, they released this way to make sure that you earn a certain amount of money. So basically they're adjusting, they're pulling from the employee model and implementing it into the independent contractor model. So there's a minimums guarantee. If you earn less than the guarantee, 120% of minimum wage over 2 weeks, Uber will pay you the difference. By the way, this is most likely coming nationwide. So yeah, again, Uber CEO already said that other states are gonna be looking at this same model as well. Because again, this minimum wage can be applied anywhere. I think they did that purposefully to make it a minimum wage, so it is relative based on your area, not a certain dollar amount, so that it can be, you know, applied to any place, any state, any market. Even in California, minimum wages vary by county, I believe, right? San Francisco minimum wage is much different than, I don't know, San Diego. This earnings guarantee includes 30 cents per mile to your account. So 120% of minimum wage, so 1.2 times minimum wage plus 30 cents per mile, no upper limit, and then tips are on top. And this is actually an important note that tips are on top. So when you usually typically calculate your average earning, you know, let's say it's 15 or 20 bucks an hour, you always calculate tip. So they're taking what you make outside of tips, giving you that earnings guarantee, and then adding tips on top of that. So you're guaranteed to make at least minimum wage, you know, times 1.2 plus 30 cents per mile plus all your tips. So it's actually pretty good. The only downside is that it's only on route to pickups and on trip only, so you're not getting paid to wait. But then again, some people like that flexibility to not have to accept every trip, right? So this is the average that they give in LA. So if for over 2 weeks, if you're on route to pick up and on trips for 500 miles, you work 20 hours, that's somebody working 10 hours a week, you making 462 bucks at the end of the day, right? And that money goes to your pocket as well as covering gas and wear and tear. So they're also going to be including health benefits too, which this is actually really good. So if you pay health benefits, you're going to get at least $300 a month depending on how much you drive toward health insurance and medical care. What does that look like? If you drive or deliver an average of 15 hours a week, you're eligible for at least 150 bucks a month for healthcare and medical costs. And if you drive and deliver an average of 25 hours a week, you're eligible for the full contribution of $300 per month, which is actually pretty good. If you're like me, I have private healthcare. Well, I basically go through the government. You know, I don't have a W-2 job. I'm not an employee. So I pay $157 per month. So this actually works out perfectly for somebody like myself. And I think a lot of people are also, you know, just rely on 1099 work for their income. So that is good. And then also they introduced occupational accident insurance as well. The occupational accident insurance actually covers medical bills if you're injured while driving or delivering. I think that's, you know, nothing really more needs to be said about that. If you get into an accident, you do get injured, they're gonna take care of your medical bills. They're gonna cover your medical bills if you're injured or while delivering or driving, which is honestly pretty good. You can work multiple apps. There is no upper limit. You can work when and wherever you want. You don't have to accept all trips. And there's not a unlimited number of drivers. So there you have it right there, guys. That's the update as of today. I think this is a big win for all of us drivers to still be able to, and for the entire economy. I think this is a huge win for the whole economy because there is a super large sector of people who like to do, you know, DoorDash here, a little Postmates there. You know, you can't make your car payment, okay, go out and drive Uber for a week, and then you don't have to drive Uber anymore. Or if you, I don't know, you can't pay your rent, all of a sudden you lost your job and you're applying for a new job. You just need to grind out and work Uber 50 hours a week for 3 weeks and then never touch the app again, or, you know, just do it when you need to. We are still allowed to do that because of Proposition 22. So a big shout out. I know a lot of people like to bag on Uber and Lyft and these huge corporations, but I think this is an amazing step in the future for Americans, because guys, if this proposition didn't pass, you're looking at nobody being able to do any of these gig apps here and there. You would have to sign up, go through an interview, and have to accept every trip, be an employee. I don't think any of us want that. So I think this is a huge win. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you're happy that this is a big win, and subscribe down below. And also, if you do want to check out my other YouTube channel, The Finance Hub, I would be super, super thrilled to see you over there. I'm going to be posting every single day over there. So, you know, if you want to see me talk about finance and different ways to make money online, or just anywhere, different side hustles, increasing your income, I break down my personal income. I already did a video over there on how much money I make. I'm going to be breaking down my net worth, going over credit cards, getting out of debt, it's gonna be fun. So thank you all for watching today's video, and I will talk to you all soon. All right, have a great day, guys. Bye.